Welcome back guys, and today I bring you the unboxing of my first order from Hello Bookmind. I hope you can read that. Yeah, better. So I have already cleaned this package with sanitizer, just mopped it throughout, and as it is of plastic, so it was pretty easy and we're good to go. So as I open this up, I will just ramble on as I go along, so stay with me. One of my subscribers suggested that I try out the Hello Bookmind website because they have a really good range of comic books and stuff. They're distributing or selling them all over India, and so I checked out their website. They have Raj Comics, Archie Comics, even mangas, Diamond Comics, and so on. So I made a purchase of some Raj Comics and a few Archie Comics, and I placed the order on, I think, 19th evening, and by 20th it was shipped, and it was supposed to be delivered on 26th, but fortunately it came a day earlier. As you can see, it arrived to me by 25th only. So yeah, in less than 5 days they have transported it into a remote location like mine, where I'm living now. So as you can see, the packaging is pretty solid, and that's one of the key points of Hello Bookmind stuff. The packaging is impeccable, and I'm having a really hard time opening it. Sorry. So yeah, another thing that I need to mention is they have transported this via the courier service called Delhivery, as I've shown you already. And I used to think that DTDC used to be one of the fastest, if not the fastest, courier service in India, but I had placed an order about 2 weeks earlier in DTDC and it has not yet arrived. But Delhivery made that possible in less than 5 days. I'm pretty sure Delhivery has no special permits that is allowing them to transport at this faster rate. So yeah, DTDC is going to face a tough competition from Delhivery in the near future. I'm almost there. Quite an exercise, Hello Bookmind. So I think this package can go through a nuclear warfare, something like that. So yeah, we have to go through another layer. Let's get it over with. I can see the invoice picking up. Awesome. Another layer of packaging. Can you imagine how much effort they put behind this? Another thing that I need to mention, on 20th morning it was not yet shipped, and I wanted to make some modifications to my order. So I requested their customer care, and they responded really quickly. I made the necessary changes even after placing my order, and that is so cool. Let me see if they have listened to my changes and made the modifications accordingly or not. So you're almost there. Let's see. Now I have to be very careful. I don't want to damage the precious books inside. Yeah, finally. Let's take them out. My workout is done for today. So they have given some free bookmarks. This is the invoice, and these are my orders. I hope you can read them. So yeah, the first we have Sabrina the Teenage Witch, the Final Battle Part 3. I already have the Final Battle Part 1 and Part 2, so I needed the Part 3 and I ordered it. Next we have a crossover between Archie comic characters and Image comic characters, and I really love Image comics, so I couldn't let this pass away. Some more free stuffs, and yeah, first of all we have Doga Ansh. Where is Doga Ansh? Yeah, this is Doga Ansh. Then we have Doga Bekabu. This is Doga Bekabu. We have Doga Dhwast. Where is Doga Dhwast? Where are you, my boy? Yeah, Doga Dwast. So this three are from the Doga Unmulan Srinkla. I have some more issues, and these three are going to complete my whole series, whole run. So I bought them. Then we have Doga Nyay. So yeah, it was I think an 8-issue mini series. I have the other 4 issues, and these 4 issues were left. So I have the Doga Unmulan Srinkla complete now, and there might be a review video coming soon. Hang with the channel. Then I have Terwa Din. Let me see where it is. So this is a horror comic, and I heard that it is one of the best horror comics that Raj Comics has to offer in the recent times. Next I have Milan Yamini. Yeah, kinky name, but this is from the Amazing Friends of Nagraj series. And then I have Nagyoti, another one of the Amazing Friends of Nagraj. And these are really cheap, and Hello Book Mine sells them at MRP, so there is no black marketing going on. Then I have Hasya Hindola, that is the child versions of all the Raj comic characters, and this is basically a funny comic book. And finally I have Sarva Pralay, which is so far the 11th installment of the Sarvanayak series, and it is still continuing. It is getting pretty much boring, but I have the rest 10, so I have to complete the series, and thus I bought it anyway. I'll read it after some time. And they have given a Premchand lottery as free gift, so yeah, there are free goodies too. And at last but not the least, there are these 2 Archie comics, so a total of 550 rupees, decent buy, and I'm really happy with everything. They have given this invoice with the catalog of my purchases, and they have taken really good care of everything. The whole processing, the packaging, and everything is top notch, and I got my parcel in less than 5 days, so yeah, cannot really complain there. So let me know guys if you are interested in trying out the website. I really loved it. This is not a promotional video, so I'm just too happy with everything. And during this lockdown period, it was getting really boring, and when you place an order and get it in less than 5 days, and you have a bunch of things to pass your time now, so I'm pretty stoked and happy. Let me know in the comment section guys if you want to see more unboxing videos, because one of my huge parcel is coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so there is going to be a mega unboxing video coming soon. So stay tuned guys. Till then, bye bye.